In this video, I'm going to show you how to put page number on Microsoft Word. So once you have a document open inside Microsoft Word, this is very simple to do. All you want to do is click on Insert, and then over here, as you can see, it says Footer and Page Number and Header, okay? So you want to look over here and then click on Page Number, and then you can select whether you want top of page, bottom of page, or if you want page margins or a current position, okay? But kind of the gold standards is the bottom of the page or maybe the top of the page. So you can choose this, it doesn't really matter. And let's say I want it at the bottom of the page in the middle. So you want to click on it, and then you want to select one that is over here that you like, okay? Now, let's say I want this one, I want to click on it, and there we go. Double click on the paper, plain paper, and you have a page number. And now every new blank page I insert, as you can see, will have its own page number. There we go. Now, the next thing you may want to know is that if you click this, okay, so if you click the first or any of the numbers over here, you can select that the first page differs from the other ones, okay? So that's very handy in case you're creating a diploma or a piece of work, okay? That the gold standard usually is that the first page doesn't have a number, okay? So if you click different first page, as you can see, first page, a number gets removed, and then it starts with 2 on the second page, which is exactly what we want, okay? Now you can also select different odd and even pages and then customize them. That's also possible, which is very, very handy. And I'm going to show you one more thing over here. I'm going back to insert and then page number. You can also format page numbers, okay? So you can select the number format. They can be normal numbers or any of these down below. And you can also click whether you want to include the chapter number or not, okay? And you can adjust page numbering so it can continue from previous section or start at a specific section you select, okay? And now that's pretty much it. That's how you put page numbers on Microsoft Word, and I hope this video helped you out.